So sex can be painful for many different reasons. And the way I like to think about this is in like a Venn diagram. So you could have pain with intimacy because let's talk about dermatology. That particular circle in our Venn diagram is your skin. Is there lubrication? Is there hypersensitivity? Is there dryness? So the thing I talked about earlier, the Foria Wellness with the CBD, that will help with that particular category. Now, the next category would be physical. So do you have a tight levator ani or obturator internus? Do you have a labral tear in your hip? Do you have significant stiffness and arthritis in your hip? Do you have EDS and you feel like your hips are trying to come apart? Because in the physical part of the Venn diagram, so the skin is one piece, the physical part would be the muscles and the hip. Your body cares, and if it thinks you're going to get hurt, it is going to shut you like a Venus flytrap and not let anything get in. So the muscles will have guarding, and that guarding can cause pain. There can be trigger points within on the muscles internally. And then the other little part of the circle with the Venn diagram is I always consider the fact that there could be a psychological piece. Now hear me out. I have some patients that have partners that are really bad to them. And I'm one of the people that can ask them, do you even like your partner? Are they hurting you? Have you had a previous bad experience? Have you had counseling? Because SA happens, bad things happen to good people all the time. And I'm one of the people that gets to ask that question, are you okay? Because not everybody has a partner that's nice to them. Now, some people have pelvic floor tightness because maybe they had cancer, maybe they had radiation, and maybe because they had this radiation in their pelvis, the tissues of their pelvic floor shrink down like a little shrinky-dink. Some of my patients will have something called vaginismus, which is also what I jokingly call the Venus flytrap, where nothing is getting in. And in these patients, I 100% use, brace yourself, I have them use these dilators at home, and this particular brand that I like is called Intimate Rose, and it is my favorite. There are different sizes, 1 through 8. There's a small set and there's a mid-size range. This particular brand is awesome. You can get this in my Amazon store link, but pelvic pain has many different realms, but the product I'm referencing with this comment will absolutely help you with the chemical and skin side. But I firmly believe in talking to people that have pelvic pain and making sure we cover all facets of the pelvic pain. Hope this helps. And I absolutely recommend this product for my patients that have pelvic pain. And if you go and look at their website, they have many different options. They even have suppositories, which some of my patients swear by and they use in the evenings. So you may want to try that if you ever have pelvic pain. The suppositories are different than the serum for intimacy.